Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Tuesday, 3rd September 2019, and it's just after 11 a.m. Singapore time. And let's take a look at the daily and intraday analysis for Euro, Cable, and the Aussie dollar. Here's the Euro daily chart, and it has already started falling below the 110 level from the start of the week, and it's targeting the 162 Fibonacci extension level, and the weekly S1 is so right around the 109.18 to 15 level. So there's already dollar strength. That's why the Euro, Pound, and the Aussie are all drifting lower. Go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, so right from the start of the week, yesterday and Monday, it's already been drifting lower, and Eurozone manufacturing PMIs were neutral, mainly neutral, but it's already anticipating a lower move, pricing in before the ECB meeting next week. So it's already well below the weekly pivot line, and this is definitely a target zone. And by today, this will now be resistance level. Okay, so once it reaches the 162 Fib area, expect some retracement back up and possible bounce, but unlikely there'll be any strong reversal. And for today, there isn't any Eurozone news. So we'll see what the price action is once it reaches this support level. Alright, we'll move on to the cable. Cable yesterday was still very weak and already almost touched the weekly S2 level. And now it has again retested this level, trying to target the 1.2 key psychological figure again. Yesterday's manufacturing PMI for the UK was lower than expected, and that drove the pound weaker, along with uncertainty in Brexit deal. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. So we can change this to a resistance zone. And we'll see whether it's able to reach the 120 level and hopefully find some support. There is UK construction PMI figures later today, and then the US ISM manufacturing PMI later tonight. and we'll see what the reaction is to those figures. Let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Aussie has also broken below this support trend line here of this triangle, and with retail sales figures coming in lower than expected earlier this morning, just less than a couple of hours ago, it has already drifted lower for today, and within an hour's time at 12:30 there will be the RBA interest rate announcement, and we'll see what the guidance is for that, because they're not expected to cut rates this round, but we'll see what the language is for future outlook. But for now, it's already broke below the 0.67 level and targeting the weekly S1 and heading towards the 162 Fibonacci extension level. So across the board, there's weakness for all the majors, while the dollar is strengthening. Alright, we'll see how this plays out later on within an hour, and we'll follow up again on Thursday for daily analysis, and just before the non-farm payroll report on Friday. Alright, have a good trading week, and cheers.